How to report projected annual income. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to report your projected annual income before taxes for your household. If you would like additional information, please click on What Income Should I Include? Under the Tax Household section, input your projected annual income for 2025 in the text box. If you're unsure of your projected income, please select I don't know. Also, please answer the question at the bottom of your screen regarding your household having a tax dependent or child who receives income from Social Security. Please note, do not mark yes if he or she only receives SSI benefits. Once you make that selection, click Next. In the next how-to tutorial, we'll walk you through filling out the Earned Income section of the application.